This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. So today I'm gonna show you a makeup tutorial with this red simple makeup. So you can do this makeup while you are wearing some red dresses, saris and salwars. It is very simple and I will teach you some techniques with this makeup so that you can create this look wherever you are going out. Before starting this video guys, I just want to say something that I have cut my hair with my own at home. It is a really simple way, simple technique I have learned. So definitely I will create another video for this haircut tutorial so that you can easily cut your hair without going any parlor or salon. For that you just need to wait and watch. So moving on to this video, if you guys are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, share this link with your friends and family, and yeah, without doing any further delay, let's get started the video.
So at first, to prep my skin, I am applying Garnier cream, which is very soft and light moisturizer, and it will help you to give a flawless base for your makeup. And it is one of my best cream. I normally prefer this most of the time. Then I'm applying Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighter Primer Golden Tint. This is the primer which has golden tint and it will help you to highlight your skin. This is really very good product from Swiss Beauty. Next, I'm applying Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base Golden Pink. It is actually illuminated base. So before applying any foundation, you can just add little bit of this product to get a glowing makeup look. Usually on daily basis, I use this product before applying any BB cream on my face, and it gives me very glowing face for whole day. So today I'm not applying any heavy foundation, so I'm applying Oriflame Sweden the One Peach Perfecta foundation, which is basically very light coverage kind of foundation, or you can say CC cream. So it is suitable for all skin tone and it will give you a satin finish look. Also it has very smooth texture, so it will help you to create a very flawless base. Also I'm applying this cream on my neck with the help of the brush, and it is one of the best product which I use basically without any foundation. So next I'm applying Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, which is the shade of 01 black, and with this I'm going to shape my brows, and then I'm comb my eyebrows with the help of the brush. Then next I'm applying NYB foundation concealer contour stick and applying those areas where I want to conceal. And I'm also applying NYB contour stick and applying on those areas where I want to contour and want to give some shape. Then I'm blending all the product with the help of this sponge, and make sure that you are blending very well. And now I'm using Blue Heaven Sapphire Makeup Translucent Powder to set my concealer, and applying this product all over the area where I want to set my concealer so that it will not create any crease. Next, I'm also applying little bit of Sugar Mini Bronzer, which is the shade of 01 Top Topper. Now the most interesting part has come, which is eyeshadow part, and to give a quick eyeshadow look, I'm going to apply one red lipstick which is from any random brand, but it should be matte. So I'm applying little bit of red lipstick on my eyelid with the help of my finger and blend it with the help of the brush. So you need to blend it very well so that it will not look messy. So next I'm applying LA Color eyeshadow palette, Bare It All, and I'm just giving the little bit of shade on outer corner of my eyelid and blending it very well. Also, I'm applying the same shade on my lower lash line. Now I'm applying Color Essence Shimmer Highlighter on my eyelid to give a glittery look. Then I'm applying Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. Guys, you need to apply mascara in a very proper way, like the way I'm doing. Also, I'm applying little bit of on my lower eyelashes. So now you can see that I don't need any false lashes. So this is my overall eye look. Then I'm again taking the same red lipstick and applying it on my cheek, little bit of amount, and then you need to blend it with the help of the finger or any brush you can use, but I'm here using my finger, and blend it very smoothly so that it will not look weird. Applying a lip liner to shape my lip. To get the filler lip, you need to apply the lip liner little bit of outside of your lip. Now I'm applying random red liquid lipstick on my lip. Also added Stay Quirky white kajal. At last I'm applying Miss Clear Shimmer Brick highlighter, little bit of on my nose area and little bit of arch area of my brows. So now here is my final look.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for.
So guys, I hope you will like this video and like this makeup tutorial, and I hope now you can easily create this look. So guys, if you like this video, please do share with your friends and family. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. These are my IDs. Click the like button, hit the bell icon, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, I will guys meet you again on my next YouTube video. Till then, keep smiling, be safe, keep loving me. Bye bye.